Forgot your Wi-Fi password and need to connect a new device. Don't go digging for the router. I'm going to show you the absolute fastest way to find your saved password on Windows 11 in about 15 seconds. Navigate to the taskbar, then go to the network icon, click it. Go to the Wi-Fi section, click it to reveal all the Wi-Fi listed under your network. Then don't click on the Wi-Fi name. Instead, click on this exclamation mark. Clicking here is a shortcut to the specific Wi-Fi settings or the network settings. This saves you like 5 clicks when you go to the control panel. So click on it. It opens up the Wi-Fi settings. Scroll down until you see View Wi-Fi Security Key. Click View. And boom, your password is displayed right on the screen. If this saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech hacks.